Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to effortlessly sign documents using PDF XChange Editor. First, open your desired PDF file within the software. Once your document is loaded, direct your attention to the Protect tab located at the top of your screen. From there, simply click on the Sign Document option to initiate the digital signing process. This quick step prepares your document for the next stage. Now you will need to create or select a signature. The editor offers three primary methods. You can draw your signature using your mouse or a stylus, import an image of your handwritten signature, or type your name using a stylish font. Take a moment to customize your signature's appearance. You can easily adjust the line thickness, choose a preferred color, and even select a unique font if typing. This personalization ensures your signature looks professional. With your signature created, it is time to place it onto your document. Simply click and drag your mouse to draw a box where you want your signature to appear. You can easily resize this box or move it around the page until it fits perfectly. Double-check its position and ensure it looks natural on the document. This step allows you complete control over the final presentation of your signed file. Once you are satisfied with the signature's placement and appearance, click the Sign button to formally apply it to your PDF. It is highly recommended to save your document as a new file name, ensuring your original unsigned document remains intact. Finally, open the newly saved file to confirm the signature is correctly embedded and looks exactly as you intended. This simple check completes the process, securing your document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.